This probably is going to be one of the most straightforward videos that I've made in this channel since I started the channel, especially talking about my moving back to the Dominican Republic. Hello guys, if you are new to the channel, my name is Isaura and I am just a girl. I'm just a digital content creator, a mother, a wife, daughter, a dreamer, and I decided to post my life in social media since 2021. A lot of the people that are following me on this channel is because you guys got to know me through the medical delivery courier videos, where I was sharing my life as a medical delivery courier, but I was also uploading videos on how I was preparing to move back to the Dominican Republic. And guess what? Here we are 6 years later. It's been 2 years since I moved to the Dominican Republic. If you have watched some of my other videos, you already know that. And from this point on, I am going to be sharing also good information that could serve a lot of people that are in the United States or trying to move abroad or trying to learn a new skill and all of that. Throughout these years, I have always speak specifically about moving to the DR, the process of building my house, my experience of moving here and all of that. But I think I also will include more about the skill I learned, which is credit, that has helped me to come to this position in my life where I now have financial freedom. I live off of my online business and all the income streams that I have built through that. And I think that will be a good topic where I'm going to be breaking it out in different pieces. Also, we'll have a private community which you can join the waiting list. The link will be in the description of this video, because what I realized that more than sharing all the goodness that the Dominican Republic has to offer, or the United States when I was there, when it comes to opportunities for work, for job gigs and stuff like that, the ability of learning a skill that you can actually do online from your computer, like I am doing right now. This is my office here in the Dominican Republic, working remotely in my own job, which I promote through social medias and also affiliate, and also people that recommend me and all of that, can be a really life-changing event for you if you put your mind to it, and if you decide that you can do more than what you're doing right now. So if you follow me for a long time, you know I've been working a lot, especially when I was in the United States. I hustle so much. I work different jobs. I do a lot of stuff. I was doing a lot of stuff when I was there, and I share all of that with you guys so you guys get inspired. Always giving you guys motivation on what I was up to, so that you guys have an idea of how I was doing. Because I think I don't know, there's something when you share your experience and other people can relate to it. So like if you're in the other side of the screen and you watching this video and you know me since I started posting video, and you see my life now and how I'm living my life, right now, you can actually be like, wow, it is possible. So if it's possible for her, why is not going to be possible for me? If anything I put in my mind, I can accomplish, right? So that's exactly what I did, following other YouTubers, especially people that were moving to the Dominican Republic or abroad to another country, so I can get tips and idea of how I was going to make it to move here. Because the problem was making an income, and learning about credit and doing credit totally online gave me that possibility. Like I said, I'm gonna dive more into that in other videos, specifically explaining what I do, how I do it, and how can you do it as well, especially if you live in the United States, because this is a skill that can actually get you to your financial freedom. Why? Well, when I started credit, helping people with the credit as a credit consultant, I have issues with my credit. So when I learned, I did it for myself, I did it for my mom, I did it for a few family members, and it worked. And I said, wow, so you can actually, this is actually doable. This is something that can be done, because I didn't believe that credit restoration was a thing. In 2019, 2020, Lauren, a friend of mine that knew credit, that she was a credit consultant. She fixed my credit for $3,000. I had two repos on my credit. I did a favor to someone, not knowing nothing of credit, nothing like that, and that was on my credit. I didn't even know, because I didn't even know what was credit. And when I went to apply for my first car, that was there. So that's how I knew that I had bad credit. So she helped me with that, and then I was like, wow, and you do that? You didn't go to school for it, and you make so much money? Because if you're charging me $3,000, you'll be charging my money. And I was like, wow. So I kept that in my mind. So when I decided to get into this journey of online abilities and all of that stuff, I contacted her, and she gave me an overview of what was the credit. I remember I paid $5,000 for that consultation, and it was sitting in a cafe in Astoria in New York. And it changed my life. I felt like she could have given me more, but whatever she gave me by that time was perfect, because she opened my mind to new abilities. Credit restoration is not hard. It's just a process that you have to follow, and having the right information to give your clients. And I learned from her. I learned from a lot of free YouTube videos that you guys can go watch and check it out, which are amazing. And I fell in love with it. So I started getting to this credit thing. I learned everything about it. I started posting on my Instagram socials accounts, my WhatsApp. I started getting clients, and within a month that I took that seriously, I made $10,000, and it changed my life, because I was living off that ability that I learned from my house in New York City for 3 years, totally online, with my own business. Then I learned how to structure my own business. Then I learned how to scale. Then I learned other type of income with that same ability, and I put it in practice, and I make money with that as well. I still make money with all of that as well. And that's when my mind opened up, and I was like, wow, my dream of moving to the Dominican Republic, it's going to be easier than I thought. But I put my mind to it, and I let the universe know that I was going to do whatever it takes to accomplish it. Now, I've been here in the DR for 2 years, living off that same skill, helping people with their credit, getting people to my DMs, to my communities, my private communities, where they fix their credit for themselves, and also they learn the skill to do it themselves. All of that is in Spanish. I didn't focus so much in English, because back at that time, the demand of this ability was more in Spanish than English, because not a lot of Spanish people had this type of information. So that's what I did. That's basically a little recap of what I'm doing and how I'm making money here. Because listen to me, I've been here in the DR for 2 years, and I see tangible business right here, and it's not easy. It's not easy because people here, I don't want to say that Dominicans are lazy, but I want to say that the systems here are accustomed to work, for example, from 9 a.m. to 5. After 5 p.m., no one wants to work. Another thing is that they want to make their own schedule. Another thing is that punctuality does not exist in the majority of the places here. People want things easy. They want the money, but they don't want to work. So it's really hard to work with people here. And I can tell you that because we have 57 tareas of land. That's around 45,000 square meters of land that we planted with eggplants. And there was a lot of wasted money on employees that we could have saved if we had the right information. It's okay, you learn through the process, but we were dealing with the same problem. People wanted to leave early, they didn't want to advance in the job, they were taking it very easy, meanwhile we were spending a lot of money. And that's not only on the farming area, it's in all the type of jobs that I've seen. A lot of business owners I know here in the DR complaining about the same thing. People stealing from their businesses, people doing whatever they want. They want more money, but they want to work less. And it is so different compared to the United States, where we hustle so much and we are not complaining that much, because what else can we do? We have to work. We have to work. Even if you have a good career, you still have to work in order to make money with what you learn. It's the same thing with everything. So moving to the DR with an online ability, an online skill that makes me money even when I'm asleep, because I have passive incomes that work for me even when I'm asleep, and I put the work one time, and then now the business works for me even when I'm not doing anything. It's spectacular. Like, I would suggest for anybody trying to move to the Dominican Republic, build your online business. There are a lot of options that you can take, from making your own YouTube, selling digital products where you can put your knowledge, learning a new skill if you don't know one, and that's about it. I will be bringing more information about different things that you can do, but I will be talking specifically about what I know, which is credit and how to monetize any skill that you have. That's my two abilities that I know best. How to, digitalize your business now. The business that you have now, if it's tangible, you can put it online, trust me. And if you don't know a skill and you like to learn a skill that's on demand, like credit repair or credit restoration as a credit consultant, I will be giving a lot of free information here. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want advice, you can hire a lawyer or go online and find free information. Do your own research before doing anything. But I think I have some experience, right? I have 5 years living off of that. And yeah, this is my life here in the DR. Right now, I have some services that I had to do. I made $1,000 today only from direct services, helping people with sending their disputes for their credit. I made like $500 with consultations already today. That's not counting affiliate and the people that went inside my 2 communities that I have and my other affiliate program. YouTube pays me as well, and a lot of other incomes. And I'm sharing this because I want the same for you. Like, deep down in my heart, I know that you can do it too, and that if I start making more of these videos inspiring you every single time, you can get to it a lot faster. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm drinking my coffee. My mom made some coffee for me today. Luis is in Texas. He's coming tomorrow. This is the view of my house from outside the office. And today I'm chilling. I'm gonna go pick up my son. I was recording some videos and finishing some client consultations I had. And this is the beautiful view here in the DR. This is my beautiful view. These are 2 of my vehicles right there. This is the old one. And this is how everything looks. Yesterday we had a lot of rain. Hopefully it rains today. Make sure you join the waiting list for my private community, where I'm going to be teaching everything about credit so that you can learn it as well for you, for your family, and to make money with it. And also we'll be posting any opportunities I see when it comes to buying land in the DR. So yeah, you might want to join. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave your comment. And I see you in another video.